Hey YouTube, this is Evan from the Everyday Review, and it's going to be a quick EDC update. I don't think I've done any on this account, so this is probably going to be the first one for this account. So, let's get started. On my finger, I wear my class ring. I can't get that to focus. And then on the other side is Brave, which is our school mascot. It's the front. On my wrist, I'll probably have a bracelet. Here is a new leather bracelet that I got for Christmas. In my pocket, I'll have my keys. I usually carry a flash drive, my house key, just something cool. My knife is my Spyderco Dragonfly 2. Review on this to come. And lastly, my wallet. Just a trifold wallet. Just a trifold wallet. My Floyd card's in there, so don't want to give out any information. But yeah. So this is what I usually carry on an everyday basis. Obviously, I do not carry the knife at school because that would be bad, and I'd probably get expelled. Because apparently knives are weapons and not tools, and they hurt people because bad people do bad things with them. And we have a zero tolerance thing at our school, so if you're caught with a knife, you're basically expelled. We even had these one guys, he brought a hunting knife to school because he's a hunter, and he was gonna go after school, and the dogs came. It was just random, and he got caught. Same with a fisherman, had a filleting knife in his truck, in his tackle box. Dogs smelled it, and he almost got expelled, and he even had like a scholarship, which would have been bad. But that aside, that's about it for my EDC update. So, have a good day. Peace.